So I think there is a few peduncles here. One here is just started. I didn't even look at last 3-4 months at them. Look at them. So right now, today, I make some times to organize them because cold is coming. Cold will come definitely soon. So I have to take care of it before it gets too cold. It will be cold one day all of a sudden. I won't have time to take care of it. So I start ahead of time. So here is one peduncle, I think. And there is this one. They're so big this summer. This one has a lot of peduncles. Look at this. See this insect. You have to spray them. Insecticide spray. A lot of insect. One peduncle here. One peduncle. This one has another peduncle. This. So this one have few peduncles. If I look goodly, I will find more. Look at this. Look at this. Insect. It's kind of like fruit-like kind of insect. Don't know what kind of insect is this. Spider. It's because I didn't take care of them whole summer. See this. I hope it's showing. It's like a black spot. When I rub like this, they get mush. So this one maybe will give some bloom this winter, I hope. Right now, I'm just organizing them for the winter.